Welcome to Mac 2311 for Engineers, Exam 2, problem number 8. In this problem, they go ahead and they give you a function they ask for where the horizontal tangent line or lines occur at. So all we have to do is take the derivative and set it equal to 0. Now don't confuse this with horizontal asymptotes. Horizontal asymptotes require you to take limits to infinity. But here we just have to simply derive and set it equal to 0. And when we set it equal to 0, we can just really set the top equal to 0 because the denominator doesn't contribute to when the function is equal to 0, only the numerator. So let's first just go ahead and derive this. We can use a quotient rule here, so it would be low times the derivative of the top, which is just 1, minus top times the derivative of the bottom, which would just give you bring the 1/2 out front because the square root is actually a 1/2 power, so that would cancel out with the 2. You just get x to the negative 1/2. And then the derivative of negative 3 goes to 0. That's all you have there. All over the bottom squared. Now we know when you multiply, you add powers, so 1 plus negative 1/2 would give you a positive 1/2. So this is actually just x to the positive 1/2, or you could go ahead and write it as the square root of x. So you have 2 square roots of x minus 3 minus the square root of x. So we can actually cancel out this with part of this, and we're just left with a square root of x minus 3 over 2 square roots of x minus 3 quantity squared. Now if we want to set this equal to 0 to solve out for the horizontal tangent lines, we need to go ahead and basically just set the numerator equal to 0. So it's going to be square root of x minus 3 equals 0. We can add the 3 over, so square root of x equals 3, and then just square both sides. And you get x equals 9. So x equals 9 would be the only location for a horizontal tangent line. And that's your final solution.